What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Doran and today I'll be showing you how to make a butter right at home at the comfort of your house with basic things you can literally find anywhere. Anyways, do excuse my look. I'm trying to deep condition my hair, so it's kind of in a mess right now. Anyways, just stay tuned. So before we go on, I want to thank every single person for 2k. Thank you guys for 2k, subscribers. It means so much to me. It means so much to me. I'm so grateful. Thank you for choosing to stick with me. So let's get right into it. So to make this butter, pardon me. Yeah. anyways, you guys, you have to, pardon me for this one. Okay, so if you haven't seen my previous video, I made a video on how to detangle, your hair, and yeah. So let's get right into it. Right, I have an empty bowl where I'm going to mix the stuff, and my main ingredient for the butter is my raw shea butter, and yeah, actually I kind of have some extracts inside. So as you can see, it's really thick. Yeah, I have my coconut oil, and I have some essential oils on me. So this is lemon oil. I don't know if you can see it well. Lemon oil. This is mint, peppermint, and this is lavender. So I'll be using the three of them for this video, and basically that's all I'm going to use: my shea butter, my coconut oil, and my essential oils. Oh yeah, and I'll be using a mixer this time around. I made a video last year about how to make a butter, and I just used a spoon to stir, but this time I wanted to have this fluffy, not fluffy, this kind of buttery feeling, so I'll be using a mixer today. First thing I'll be doing is to add a substantial amount of my shea butter. Now the amount you add is dependent on how much you want it to be, so I'm just going to add, why is it not showing? Okay, so I'm going to add quite, not too much, because I kind of want it to all fit into this, maybe more a little. So I just add this into it. I'm gonna scoop it with this. Oh, so I'm not measuring. I don't have a measuring stand or whatever, and I'm not doing it for commercial purposes, so I'm not going to measure. So yeah, just a little more. So here's what I'll be working with. Just this. Just this. This is less than 100 grams, I guess. But yeah, this should I just get a little more? Yeah, so that's fine. Then I'll go ahead and add my coconut oil. My coconut oil is kind of cold pressed, so it's solid, semi-solid. So just try, see if it's gonna. Ooh, okay. I'm going to add a lot. I love coconut oil, so yeah, I guess that is okay. Yeah, that is okay. Then I would proceed to add in like 10 drops each of essential oils. Okay, that is enough for the lavender. My lemon oil. There you go. And peppermint. Okay. Ooh, I kind of added too much. Ooh, look at that. Anyways, no biggie. No biggie. Now, this is kind of what I have. Why is it so difficult to show? Anyways, you get it right. So the next step, this is basically simple. Next step, I'm going to put it in a microwave and let it heat up. I could have just used the boiler method, but it takes much time. I'll just set it for about 3 to 5 minutes and it should be all liquid by the time. So after microwaving, it's kind of really hot and I don't want to pour. This is what I got. Oops, it spilled. It's fine. So I'm going to start mixing. I hope it doesn't spill. So now the consistency is no longer that thin. Well, it's too watery, so I'm going to leave it alone for 10 to 15 minutes to cool down and become semi-solid. So after hours of mixing, I'm not joking, you guys. Actually, it's like hours. I finally got the consistency that I wanted, which we have here. I don't know if that's clear enough. Here we go. So this is how I wanted it to be. So there you have it, guys. It's as like the consistency I really wanted. I basically just used those 3 ingredients, and the secret to getting this kind of consistency is mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing till your hands hurt. But there you have it, guys. You can try to do yours at home. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.